You're having idle problems on your sherco, or the bike's popping, or when you ride for about 35 minutes or so and the bike starts to warm up, it idles real high and you kind of lose all your engine braking, and when you try to ride slow, it's going to keep pushing you forward. Well, there's a stepper motor on the EFI system over here, and you could find that stepper motor here. I'll show you the piece. Looks like this. It's going to sit in there like this, and the plug is going to be facing backwards towards the back of the bike, just like this. I've already pulled it out. There's 2 Phillips screws. I just cleaned mine. It was completely black and dirty. I'm going to see if this fixes the issue. You shouldn't have to worry about measuring where this is. I took it apart and it doesn't look like it screws in. There's a receded part in there where it stays in one spot. So we're going to throw it back in, let the bike idle for about 8 minutes or until the fan turns on. And don't touch the throttle at all. We're going to see how it idles, shut it off, wait a little bit just so the bike gets acclimated, because this automatically sets when your bike is running outside. And see if it does a high idle after riding it around the blocks a couple times, and I'll get back with you. You also want to make sure and take this O-ring off and clean it very good, because if you don't and there's dirt on it, it's going to allow air or anything else or dirt to get back in there and reverse this whole process. I know the lighting's not good. You're also going to want to clean out the inside of your stepper motor area in here, because it is very dirty. Bike started up good. First try. After reinstalling it after cleaning. Now we're going to let it sit here idle till it gets hot enough. Let it acclimate to the temperature, the pressure, and the location you're at. It takes about 8 minutes or so. I'll get back with you. So the fan just kicked on. I went ahead and shut the bike off. When you do this, this allows the system to all reset in the bike, and you really want to do this everywhere or any time you go ride. You want to let any kind of bike sit there and idle for a couple minutes, let it get acclimated, let all the sensors understand the temperature, pressure, all that kind of stuff. It's just really what you want to do if you want to get the best out of your bike and not have any issues all day. Now we're going to throw everything back on, and we're going to take it around the block, ride it, see if it changed anything, and if it didn't, you won't be seeing this video.